Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. Today video is about biology eata MCQs. These MCQs is very important for eata. Okay, so the first MCQs is which blood vessels carry deoxygenated blood from the upper body to the heart? A. Superior vena cava. B. Inferior vena cava. C. Pulmonary vein. D. Aorta. So the correct option is A. Superior vena cava. What is the function of the arteria in the heart? A. To pump blood into the arteries. B. To receive blood from the veins. C. To exchange gases and nutrients. D. To produce blood cells. The correct option is B. To receive blood from the veins. What is the term for the contraction phase of the heart cycle? A. Systole. B. Diastole. C. Tachycardia. And D. Bradycardia. So the correct option is A. Systole. Which blood vessels carries blood from the gastrointestinal tract to the liver? A. Hepatic artery. B. Hepatic vein. C. Portal vein. D. Renal vein. So the correct option is C. Portal vein. What is the main function of the left atrium? A. To pump blood into the aorta. B. To receive oxygenated blood from the lungs. C. To pump blood into the pulmonary artery. D. To receive deoxygenated blood from the body. The correct option is to receive oxygenated blood from the lungs. B is the correct option. Which blood component is primarily responsible for carrying carbon dioxide away from the tissue? A. Red blood cell. B. White blood cell. C. Plasma. D. Platelets. So the correct option is A. Red blood cell. The next MCQ is what structure separates the left ventricle from the aorta? A. Tricuspid valve. B. Mitral valve. C. Pulmonary valve. D. Aortic valve. So the correct option is D. Which blood vessel is most commonly used for measuring blood pressure? A. Radial artery. B. Brachial artery. C. Carotid artery. D. Femoral artery. So the correct option is B. Brachial artery. What is the primary function of the right ventricle? A. To pump blood to the lungs. B. To receive blood from the lungs. C. To pump blood to the body. D. To receive blood from the body. So the correct option is A. To pump blood to the lungs. What condition is characterized by the build-up of fatty deposit and the arterial walls? A. Hypertension. B. Atherosclerosis. C. Anemia. D. Leukemia. So the correct option is atherosclerosis. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and like the video to receive this type of video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.